Greetings everyone and welcome to our presentation. As part of our finance project, we have created a Power BI report and the name of our topic is Optimum Portfolio Generation. As you all know, earning income is a significant part of our livelihood. People choose different ways to earn income. Some may go for salaried work, some people do business on their own, some people rent out their properties and so on. But what they all have in common is the urge or desire to grow their money and secure their future to achieve what we call financial freedom. The only way in which you can achieve financial freedom is by investing your money in the right place. There are many investment options in India. One can choose to invest in a fixed deposit or recurring deposit offered by banks, or one can invest in gold. Also, look into options like post office or mutual funds or even shares of companies. These are the most common investment options available for a layman in India. There are mainly two aspects that you should consider while investing your money. One is a risk and the other is a reward. Risk means the level of assurance that you will be getting back your money. And reward means the rate of return or the future value that you have achieved by investing your money. A perfect balance between risk and reward is important to meet your future desired goal. It's common notion among people that investing in fixed deposits is the safest way to invest your money. By this, we mean that the risk is very low, but the reward is also very low if you compare it with other investment options in India. And also, it's very common to say that people will get very high return if you invest in securities or shares of companies. But nobody can guarantee the high return, and there is a high chance that you lose your money. So that means it's a higher risk, high return security. What people need is to create a balanced mix of portfolio so that they can achieve their desired goal and also not take so much risk exposure and have high chance of losing their money. So our project is targeted to help you create a balanced portfolio that we call optimum portfolio so that you can choose your desired risk appetite and your desired return so that you can achieve your financial freedom. As you can see here, we have taken different investment options that is available in India and that is most common for the purpose of analysis. So I will just go through all the pages and let's see what the analysis is about. First, we have taken banks and post office schemes. And here you can see different comparison of banks, their customer rating, and you can choose different private banks and nationalized banks that is available in the dashboard. Here you can see the maximum FD return offered by banks and RD return and the number of days that you need to invest. And also you can see a comparison between FD return and RD return. As you can see, this is an interactive dashboard, and here you can select amount and period to see which bank offers the highest return, and you can select the number of banks here. And this is a dashboard on post office schemes that is very similar comparison to banks. And here you can choose the options for you, and you can select the expected amount and rate of return. And this will enable you to decide your desired investment rate or expected return and help you choose the bank that offers you the or meets your expected investment goals. Similarly, we have also compared different equity analysis, and we have taken a lot of equities or shares for analysis. We have compared the company level information. We have compared the same with the market informations, and also we have taken some of the IPOs that have recently been successful and also failed. And we have also done the same project on mutual funds, how the mutual fund invest their monies, what the mutual fund holds, and different return analysis, and also a mutual fund lump sum calculator and a mutual fund SIP calculator. And we have also done project on bonds. We have compared the daily movement of bonds and the comparison between different bonds and its return and its future value. And finally, we have taken the rates and index, which is real estate investment projects and infrastructure projects, where you can buy the shares of those companies that invest in real estate. We have compared different options that is available in the market. And we have done a future value calculator and expected value calculator. And finally, the optimum portfolio generator page helps you choose a mix of all these options that you've seen before. And you are able to select the amount that you have in hand, select the future amount that you want, and the number of period or the months you are willing to invest. And you can see the number of portfolios that is generated here, whether you will be able to achieve your desired expected future amount with low risk, medium risk, or high risk. And the next, it's a different way of the same analysis. We can choose the proportion of amount we want to invest in different investment options. And you can see the expected future value that this dashboard uh, holds. So if you select the amount you have in hand and select the proportion of amount that you are willing to invest in different options, you'll be able to see the future value of investment based on the number of period that you're willing to invest. And that's all about our presentation. Thank you.